If you are looking for a mini smartphone, then look no further. This is the best of the best in the phone market. Although it is a mini with only 3-inch screen, this tiny smartphone is the size of a credit card. Can do the same as the other big smartphones. Equipped with the currently best 4G chipset on the market and with the 8GB of working memory, 48 megapixel excellent camera, the latest Android 13 OS, and a light show on the back, this is a really mini flagship smartphone, the Micro Beast. Be sure to watch this Unihertz Jelly Star video review. So let's start with the boxing. Let's take a look at the contents of this tiny silver box. Right on the top of the box it is a small cardboard envelope with the same pen, in which we find the Jelly Star user manual and the warranty card. We also have a small screen protector for our phone. There is also our Jelly Star. We will look at it more detail later. What do we have next? USB Type-C angle charging cable, because the Jelly Star has a charging port on the side. Furthermore, we have its original Unihertz strap for easy carrying our smartphone. And at the end comes a classic charger. Okay, that was the contents of this box. Let's move on to our tiny smartphone. The smartphone boasts a lovely jelly bean design with a transparent plastic and the LED notification lights on the back. Extremely ergonomic, unbelievably comfortable to hold in one hand, extremely small and pocket friendly. It's our Unihertz Jelly Star. I really like the transparent plastic housing that showcases beautifully internal components complemented by a stunning blue tint. This phone possesses an unparalleled uniqueness in its design. A small metal pill-shaped protrusion elegantly encloses the camera, flashlight and a fingerprint sensor. On the right edge there is this blue button on the top. It is the power sleep button. You can double press it to launch the camera right away. The red button below that is a programmable hardware button. Below them we have this SIM card tray. This tray can be used for either 2 nano SIM cards if you want 2 phone service activations, or 1 micro SD card and 1 nano SIM card. Underneath the SIM tray we finally find this USB Type-C port for charging. The bottom edge has some speaker holes, microphone hole, a little screw that must be holding everything together. On the left side edge we've got only this volume up and down button. At the very top of the phone we find something that not even many flagship phones have, which is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Next to it we find the infrared sensor, which you can use your Jelly Star phone as a universal remote control in your household, which you can control almost all devices such as air conditioning, television, hi-fi stereo through an application on your mobile phone and all other devices that have infrared connectivity. This is a really great and useful feature. The Unihertz Jelly Star is incredibly comfortable to hold in one hand. It just fits perfectly. Holding larger phones feels so awkward and clumsy by comparison with Jelly. You can see the comparison in size and thickness. Jelly Star compares with the Motorola Edge 20 with the 6.7-inch screen and the Jelly with a 3-inch screen. Although the Motorola is significantly more elegant and thinner with only 7mm thickness, the Jelly is significantly more compact to use. On the back of the phone there is some very bright eye-catching LED lights inside the clear plastic. This LED light can be configured to flash in sync with the music playback, indicate incoming notifications or phone calls, or simply be manually activated. The brightness of the curved lights on the back can be adjusted using the dedicated control, allowing them to remain remarkably vivid even when exposed to directly sunlight outdoors. Like due to the size limitation of the Jelly Star, Unihertz went with the single rear 48 megapixel camera on the back and the 8 megapixel fixed focus lens on the front. Although I have to admit I didn't expect miracles from the camera in such a small smartphone, the Jelly's 48 megapixel camera really surprised me with quality of photos in daylight. To give you a glimpse of the camera performance, check out our sample photos and videos taken using our Jelly Star. The Jelly Star showcases a 3-inch LCD display with a resolution of 480 by 854 pixels and refresh rate of 16 Hz. Despite the lower resolution, the Jelly Star managed to achieve the pixel density of 323 ppi thanks to its compact physical size. As a result, the screen appears sharp and visually appealing. Although the color reproduction may not always match the natural tones found on the more expensive devices, there are no visible issues with using the phone outdoors under the direct sunlight. The display is protected by Panda Glass, which, while not is paired with the Gorilla Glass, still provides satisfactory protection. Despite the relatively small text size, the display never felt limiting when navigating menus or browsing the web. Every website is rendered correctly, just like on larger smartphones. The Jelly Star operates on the popular and reliable MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. This powerful chipset is built using 6nm technology, ensuring impressive energy efficiency and currently holding the distinction as the fastest 4G chipset on the market. With its octa-core configuration, it strikes a perfect balance between power efficiency and high-performance computing. When it comes to memory, the Jelly Star offers impressive base RAM of 8GB. In the storage department, it provides a substantial capacity of 256GB of fast UFS 2.2 storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB for users who require additional space. The Jelly Star delivers exceptional performance, surpassing other smartphones in its category. Speaking of gaming, as long as your fingers do not obstruct the screen, you will have no difficulty enjoying any game. The Jelly Star effortlessly handles the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, delivering outstanding performance even at the highest graphic settings. The phone runs on the latest pure Android 13, providing clean and familiar user interface. It comes preloaded with all essential Google applications, ensuring seamless integration with the Google ecosystem. Additionally, it offers useful pre-installed applications such as the Toolbox, infrared remote control app, radio that can be some handy in various situations. Notably, the Jelly Star supports NFC, making it compatible with the Google Pay and convenient mobile payments. One thing that differentiates the size of the display, it is the number of apps you can show on any individual screen. You can show 9 apps with the additional 3 dock of the button. If you enjoy using widgets of running a lot of apps, be prepared to manage your space wisely and scroll horizontally through all the screens. The Unihertz Jelly Star is an updated Android smartphone with a great storage speed and performances. It has more RAM and storage than much larger new phones. This is a big performance phone in a tiny body. You may want to seriously consider the Jelly Star as a phone to switch to during times that you want to literally minimize your smartphone usage and spend more time in the real world. At this price point, the Jelly Star would be a great backup phone to carry on a trip just in case. The Kickstarter campaign is now starting. You can choose between vibrant blue and red color options of the Jelly Star. If you want to jump in and get yourself a Jelly Star at a very good price, the official links are below this video, be sure to visit it today. That will be all from me, see you soon in the next video. I will have an excellent tablet for review. Until then, bye.